posted a few days ago a video about my Huawei watch and how I was able to customize the look of my watch through different watch straps. I got the 3 watch straps that Huawei came out with, and I got it for free. I have the black strap like this one, the black leather strap. I was also able to get the silver stainless steel mesh strap, and finally the silver stainless steel link strap. So the beauty of Huawei is you can change straps easily via the quick release pins on the watch straps, so you can change looks easily. I'll put a link to that video here. I'll put a link to the video so you can check it out. But I realized those are nice straps, but those are on the elegant side. Those are straps I'd wear to work, or if you go out on a date, etc. But these straps were not meant to be used, or not ideal to be used in a sports setting, like when you want to go out jogging or running, or if you're out doing rough stuff. Huawei did not come with standard rubber straps or straps that you could just use, or other color straps, but these 3. So I realized, why don't I make my own? So this video is dedicated to making my own straps for the Huawei watch. So the challenge with the Huawei watch is that the straps for the watch do not come in standard sizes. The strap itself of this standard strap is 22 millimeters, but the lugs cater to an 18 millimeter opening. So if you see up close, it's a 22 millimeter band or strap, but the opening, or even the steel bar, is an 18 millimeter setup. So you could not just buy any 22 millimeter band or 18 millimeter band. If you get an 18 millimeter band, it'll be too thin. Maybe I think the latest watch of Huawei uses that. But for guys, it would be too thin and too slim to use the 18 millimeter band. So what I did from a local retailer, and for only 18 US dollars, or 850 Philippine pesos, I was able to look for 22 millimeter rubber straps. So this is one of it. It's red. So this is a gorgeous rubber strap for the Huawei watch. They come in the 22 millimeter size. And I got another one. It's actually, the brand is Veloci Sports. Focus. There, Veloci Sports. There you go. So I got it in 22 millimeters, and it's rubber with a silver buckle. And what I did, actually, I just used, I MacGyvered myself the strap, and I just cut off, I measured the length of the 18 millimeters width, and I just use a cutter, just imagine it without this, without the bar. I just use a cutter to cut off that strap so that it would actually look similar to each other. So then I got the objective of getting a 22 millimeter strap with an 18 millimeter opening that would easily fit into the Huawei watch. So this is what it'll look like. The only difference with this kind of setup is, unlike the quick release pins of the Huawei watch, it's not that easy anymore to install these, because you really would need the tool of a regular watch to install it. So I'll show you how it goes. The quick release pins for the Huawei watch is so it's convenient to remove. You just flick it like that, and it's done. Put this aside. Now if you want to use, for example, let's start with the red. If you want to put this, so I already did both, so I cut off a little portion of the strap. Why is my focus not focusing? There, so it looks the same. So it's a 22 millimeter band with an 18 millimeter opening. So then you insert it. So this is the challenging part. Bear with me. I'm going to place it using the tool to press down the bar like so. So I insert one side here on the bottom. I find it's the better way. I insert the bottom side first, then I position the top part, Then using this small screwdriver, so it's not as easy, but it's not very difficult to change from elegant and corporate to sporty and outdoors. So it takes a while. There you go. Boom. So that's how it'll look like on one side, and just do the same on the other side. Same type of deal. I actually did not even buy the thing for the watch, the tool for the watch. It's just a regular small screwdriver. There you go. And I actually did it backwards. But you get the point. So this is what it looks like. So instantly from elegant you go sporty. So again, I said I did it backwards, but just I'll do it right for the second strap. So this is how it will look like on wrist. There. Then of course it's best to change face, the watch face of the, why don't we look for something that looks sporty. There you go. Nice, right? So instantly from the elegant silver strap or the black leather strap, you have a wonderful sporty looking strap, and it's fashionable. You can actually opt for the digital watch faces for this kind of look. So that's for the red. Now let's do the one for the blue. Again, that's a challenge also is in removing. It's the same deal. You have to do it manually. There you go. Takes around 3 minutes for the process. There you go. So from red, now let's do it right this time. Then we go blue. Now for 18 bucks, 18 US dollars or 850 pesos, you have a whole new watch wherein you can even customize the watch face so that the whole watch is new. It's like you have multiple watches depending on your look, on your style for the day. So when I'm on the weekend, I change from my corporate bands to my sporty bands. If you go out running, you go to the gym, you want to bring your watch, this is the best way to go. So here we're having a difficulty. Be careful not to scratch your silver, although it's meant, oops, there. I'll see if I can fast forward this part. There, I heard a click. One down. Second one, there, heard another click. There, beautiful. So from red, we go to blue. So it's a royal blue. It's something that you will easily be seen wearing. Again, of course, you can change your watch face to match the color of your strap. So this a while ago was watchmaker. Let's try the standard straps or the other watch faces I downloaded. So I downloaded a lot. Why don't we try this one? Beautiful. Let's try something stock. There you go. Beautiful, right? So it doesn't, I did a crude way of cutting. It wasn't really a wonderful cut, but no one would notice that small jagged edge unless you really look into it. So from afar, it just looks like it was made for this watch. And there are many other combinations you can do. So the key is get the 22 millimeter band and check if you can easily cut the tip where you place the steel bar and convert it into an 18 millimeter width. So you can change from elegant and corporate to sporty and casual. Nice. So whatever mood or whatever style I'm wearing, I have a Huawei watch strap that could match that. Imagine that. One watch, multiple looks. The beauty is, just a while ago, I bought it from a local shop here in the Philippines. It's called Asprey. I don't know if it may be local. I bought another strap. They didn't have the standard rubber straps, so I got myself a leather strap, a brown leather strap. Same price, 18 US. So again, key is to ask for, you ask for the 22 millimeter band. Ask for the 22 millimeter band, but 18 millimeter lugs or steel bars. So these are smaller. And I checked, it should be something the band you should get should be something that you can cut easily, or I mean, when you cut it, it won't damage the structural integrity of the whole band. So I'm going to do this for the first time on video, and let's see how it'll look like when I install it on the strap, or on the watch, on the Huawei watch. Let's do it. Okay, so using a simple house cutter, first you check with a Huawei standard strap. You see it's the same width, exactly 22 millimeters with the one I bought. And you check the tips, you measure, focus. There you go. So you just mark with a cutter what I did before. I just marked with a cutter the part where I need to cut. So just make a small marking incision on one side and on the other side. There. See that? A small mark. There. Those small marks are, I use my pattern. There you go. Then you just deepen the cut a bit. It's just a very crude way of making it work. Sorry. There, so it's a little deeper here. Other side from where I marked it. Be sure to make it cut straight. Then you check it out. Then now I went deep. Now it's time to get the measurement from the side using the standard strap as basis. I cut this way. You could always have them do it when you buy it, but where's the fun in that? There you go, mark it. mark it. There you go. So let's continue the cut. I don't really fully lop it off. I just do small incisions so that I won't overcut. Of course, there are other tools for this, but I use whatever I have. They're almost done. You can see the tip coming off. I'm not sure if this second one was straight, but we can try it out. So this is exactly how I did the rubber straps. Same process, and this is what I will do from now on. But with these straps, I think I'm done for Huawei Watch. I have 6 straps for 6 different looks. Sorry, almost there. Little. Not wanting to overcut, do it slowly. There you go. So crude way, but let's see if it'll work. See? So 18 millimeters, 22, 22. Let's see if it'll fit here. I think it will. Now let's do the other one. Same deal. Using the other one as basis. Mark it. There, mark the 18, cut from the top. I didn't mark it with a pen or something. You're gonna cut it anyway. As I mentioned, the rubber strap wasn't even perfect, but it's not noticeable enough for you to be hung up on it. There. Deepen the cuts. Sorry if I was off cam. There, so it's from top to bottom. Now from the sides, marking it with your cutter. Mark it. Careful not to cut your actual strap. And there we go. Okay, so I marked it successfully. There you go. What's up with my focus? There. So continuing the cut from the top to the part it met on the side. Oops, overcut a bit. One down, and finally, excited to see how it looks on a silver watch. This is a brown. It's not tan. It's brown, but it has nice stitching. Stitching here, stitching there. There you go. Instant Huawei watch capable straps made by moi. Alright, put everything aside, clean up. Now, again, as I mentioned, I got 18 millimeter steel bars for this. I didn't tell, they wonder why I didn't get a 22 millimeter since I bought 22 millimeter bands, but I had to explain it to them. So it's all a matter of putting it inside. So it comes in easy. it's a lot easier here than the rubber straps that you have to push it in. So this, you should take care not to when you take this off, it doesn't fall, because it just flows easily. It just comes in easy. Okay, so I have a strap and a bar for for each side. Now let's remove this. Again, the same process. Careful not to scratch the watch. You can see it? What's with my focus? Boom. Boom. Okay, now moment of truth. Try the new straps. Make it look. Huawei doesn't have a brown strap for. Well, they have one for the rose gold Huawei watch variant. But why buy if you can make your own? Now, same deal. Wait, did I get it again? I got it wrong again. It's a lot more challenging because the loop inside is quite big, so it moves a bit around when you try to. There you go. Nice. Actually, this I kind of like the black Huawei watch for something like this, but silver is not bad. You can customize more with silver, with the silver straps, and it's still universal. Second one. Oops, didn't go in the first. The bottom hole. I'm gonna wear this tomorrow at work. There you go. Oops, again the bottom. So there, it doesn't position as well because the loop is quite large. So wait. Position the one down. There you go. There you go. Beautiful brown strap. What's the best watch face for this? Let's see. Facer. Let's see. Let's check stock watch straps for this. That's watch face for this. Look at that. See? So it's as if made by Huawei. You wouldn't notice the jagged edges. I'll try to clean it up, but it's okay. See? So 18 millimeters cut, 22 millimeter band. Nice brown watch. Something else. Let's choose something fitting. Sorry if this is taking too long, but let's make this right. I downloaded a lot of well, let's try this one. Although it's not really for that. It's more of a sporty watch face. Okay, beauty of Huawei, you can change, or of a smartwatch, you can change anytime you want. Okay, there you go. Now on wrist, first time wearing this. Nice. So silver band or silver buckle matching my silver watch. They're quite tight. It's still new, so the leather hasn't adjusted to my hand yet. It'll do so. There you have it. Huawei watch with a new look through a new strap, customized, home customized for my own sake. Nice looking watch. Okay, hope you subscribe. More videos coming up. We have a travel video. We're traveling to Italy this next month in May. So you'll see my wife and I's adventures in Italy. And more tech vlogs, tech reviews coming up. This is just the beginning. Thanks everyone. Have an awesome day.